Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the back button right here to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings we need to select the general settings option. Then tap on pair and sync, and here scroll down and tap on paired devices. And right here you will see the name of the devices connected to your watch, and as you can see, here's our iPhone, and we can tap on it, tap on unpair, and then confirm by pressing the middle button right here. And it will say no paired devices. So now we can go to our iPhone, and what we need to do is to open the Bluetooth settings on it. So open the settings, Bluetooth, find the Vantage V3 on the list of devices, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device and forget this device. Another thing you can do is to remove the watch from your account, because even if you unpair it from your phone, it will stay on your account. And to remove it from your account, you will need to open the browser, go to the Polar Flow website. I believe it's flow.polar.com. You need to log in, go to the account, products, account setting, products, and there you have like list of watches connected to your account, and you can tap on the X icon next to the watch you want to remove, and once you remove it, it will be gone from the application. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.